support for Raintech customers. Customer service is as important as product sale. Most business owners just focus on sales. However, today we shall examine how Raintech Software Limited operates this customer care department. There are a few salesperson at Raintech office who will answer technical queries about the software and offer codes for any hardware constraints such as thermal printer, barcode scanner, weighing machine, etc. If you do not have a computer or wish to purchase one, our sales staff will offer you the optimal specification. They will provide such specification as a high performance PC with a low budget. This software firm has 80 plus machines, all of which meets these specifications that our sales team will provide you as per your demand. Sales quality control team. Our sales quality control team will contact you following the sales team interaction, and they will ask you if you got any proper information about the software, proper information about the hardware, so on. So this confirmation we will do with QA/QC departments. Our after sales staff consists of two departments, primary and secondary services. For the first 10 days, the primary service is exclusively available for new subscribers. Because as a new client, you may have more questions and more queries and more assistance required. Before we can generalize the service, we must understand what departments exist in primary customer care. There is a team for software installation. There is a team for software training. There is a team for hardware connections. There is a team for database engineers. And there is a team for uploading your products to billing software. You may upload all your products through Excel sheet. Raintech primary team will also provide assistance for the same. All of this managing only one person implies that the primary team has a specific manager, as well as a senior technical staff to oversee all of these key team members. You can contact them personally if you want any software assistance. General service team. After 10 days from the date of software purchase, the general service team will attend all your needs. There is a large crew available to answer your service phone calls. You may find database engineers, GST doubts clearing team, catalog and barcode build template design team, hardware setup team like your printer, like your weighing machine, etc. And minor issues arresting rapid desk service crew also available with general service team. According to your service concern, the telephone operator will connect you to the appropriate departments. QA/QC after sales. After your service has ended, for the day or the next day, our QA/QC team will contact you to inquire about the service, whether your issue has been fixed, and if you require any more assistance, they will call you. Logistic division. When you order hardware from Raintech Software Limited, you will receive daily updates through WhatsApp on the status of the shipment until you receive it. You can also contact personally our logistics manager to inquire about the shipment progress. In the event of shipment damage or a non-working product, Raintech Software Limited will replace the entire set with a new product. Accounts team. There is a good staff for accounts. They will handle your billing, shipping, and packing, among other things. Manager for after sales department. There is a dedicated manager for after sales department to control all the after sales team. And there is a general manager and CEO to overlook the complete process. Myself, SHIBIN, CEO, Raintech Software Limited. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you. Bye-bye.